Hello, beautiful people. How are we doing? As usual, if you're here in the stream, say hi in the chat so I know you're here. Um, I believe it is our final day of Global Hack Week. Hope you're not sick of my face yet. I know I've had a few workshops already, but today we will be wrapping up our blockchain project. Um, Keep the hellos and the haze coming. In the meantime, my name is Isabel. You can call me Issa. I am a coach here at Major League Hacking. I use she, her pronouns, and I am a huge anime fan. Um, Connect with me, follow me, all the fun stuff. Um, and as for our project, right? Um, if you didn't come to the first workshop, it's totally cool. We went over the concepts and set up this repo that we're working on right now, but we didn't actually do like a lot of the coding yet. I know that some folks used the issues that I put up and created a little like contributed to the repository already. However, one thing that I had found in my preparation between yesterday's workshop and right now is that so this is our project. This is the wait. This is our nope. This is our project. Yes. So I know Princeton already had the GitHub button in. I think yeah, that's about it for now. Um, but if you look at the repo that we were uh, per se copying, um, even though it says plain as day React SDK, it did not like I did not process that it was using Next.js. Did not explicitly say that. So, and then everything is in TypeScript. Um, so there's a little incompatibility there. And when I start when I started following the steps, I got a little stuck because if we go to if we go to pages slash index tsx, which should be this one, I could follow along, and then I got stuck because and this might be stupid questions, but I am hoping that this exercise with me not knowing what's going on helps uh show that we are infallible. I think not infallible. Like, um, I don't have all the answers, which means I do not know if this is something that React does on its own without Next. Like, um, I saw that Next has like to make a page, right? I figured claim NFT, which is right here in API, and then this I figured like you'd need um actually didn't entirely know. Like I don't entirely know what I don't entirely know. So I know that we're one of the things that we're doing with the Mint NFT. Okay, let's backtrack a little bit. What this is doing is so we have our homepage and we're using this hook use contract to get the address of this. Oh, this is gonna be a bit of a spoiler, but to entice y'all, this is the NFT that you're gonna get. And so I got this address from this contract, and the contract is basically, as in, remember from yesterday we had talked about smart contracts. So this smart contract just distributes this NFT, like mints it and then gives it away. I copied this address, put it right where this thing is, and then, or wait, let me show you. We're gonna remove that because that was just me fiddling around and hoping for the best. This is what I got so far, and we are going to figure this out together. Um, I tried translating this here because I don't know TypeScript yet. I blinked for a second and it looks like the rest of the program the tech field like moved on without me. So I was like, oh, next is the thing now. Oh, TypeScript is the thing now. I blinked for a second. But what I am trying to figure out is to make this into this. And I think so far there's not a lot of there's no real this was the only thing that I was like, why is that question mark there? Where did this come from? Like here. That I didn't know. I am like blindly hoping right now that it would work. I don't know what the question mark means. So this is a very it is going to be a very very interactive workshop because we are working together on this, friends. So I have that. Try to do this stuff, and then if not, throw an error. Right now, I think. Actually, what if I try to comment this out and just see if Connect Wallet even works? Because, oopsie daisies. I think that's fine. If I remember, so another thing that we are trying to learn here is how to debug when there's no one to, there's no mentor, for example, in the chat. You can just rename TSX to JavaScript or JSX, and it would run perfectly fine. If that is all I needed, I will flip out. However, that doesn't sound right. I feel like it can't be. Okay, so sure, I could rename it, but then this uses next. I guess I was hesitant because I said one thing, and if I switch to next in TypeScript now, when I already said we're sticking with React, we'd be overhauling everything that is already in existence. Hey Rohit, glad you could join us. We are debugging right now. So like so if I hello platinum, if I like my alternative is to just like this repo that we're copying is a template. Like we could do that. But we'd be taking a little bit away in terms of like what we're doing ourselves and what the learning opportunity is. On the other hand, if we're stuck, we're stuck. Like, so let me know your thoughts or like your suggestions. I already finished like the interface part where like we're lazy minting the NFT and like getting the address, all of that. What I'm gonna we could cuz like so I'm if you could respond to this like if we rename the TypeScript to JavaScript, we'll still need next. So do I just install next and then Janko? No, I don't want to teach the wrong thing. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. We are not going to. Whoa. Environments, production, failure. Yeah, next works with JavaScript. But the thing that I'm hesitating on is like if we're using a TypeScript file and renaming it into JavaScript, that's a little janky in the sense that like it's bad practice. Like it gets the job done, but I don't want to teach people like to band-aid their way through everything or to like duct tape their way through everything. I'm a little hesitant about that. So let's look at what Platinum says. push the changes to the repo. You got it, boss. I'll keep them commented out. And then I think the ENV doesn't have anything valuable right now, but I'll give you what the ENV should contain soon. Yes, we are pushing our changes. Yes, yes, yes. Let's just call it that. And then commit and sync. Oh, just sync. Push. Pull. Yes, because I remember Princeton made changes. Oh no, we don't like that. Merge editor. Okay. Accept incoming, accept both. And then I think this one, accept incoming, accept current. How do you accept both? Wait. I'm gonna copy this and then we're gonna, okay, I can do that. So I'm gonna accept current and then I'm gonna say, oh dear, gosh darn. So we're gonna accept current and then we're going to add the GitHub. And then is there anything else? Yeah, I think we're good. Complete merge. Commit. Push. And now we're good. Cool. So now the changes are pushed. Yeah. So I'm gonna, in the meantime, prepare the private key. Sorry, the ENV. Create a new OAuth app on GitHub and add the client ID and secret. So let's do that. Let's go to settings. Settings. And then let's see. Developer. There we go. Hey, hi Sing. OAuth apps, register new application, application name, MLH NFT rewards, homepage URL. Ooh. Where do you get that? That's, I have to deploy it first before I can, cause right? My application's homepage, so it needs to be up. This is more complicated than I thought. Yeah, see? Garsh. what do I put in homepage URL? This is incomplete documentation, but that's also on me for not knowing it already. But where am I supposed to know it from? Someone has like a magical tutorial. I doubt anyone has made anything yet. I could make that tutorial, but let's see. How do we let's look at, no, because it would be in their ENV, which wouldn't be pushed here, so I wouldn't be able to see it. So I wouldn't know how they got their application homepage URL. I'm tempted to just go like, nope. What does that mean? Okay. This is silence. This is serious silence. But I just wanted to at least like see what we could do, right? Like what I had here was just, let's see. Everything should have been commented out. So it should run with just like connect wallet. At least we'll be able to say that we connected MetaMask. But, and this should also have like a GitHub. What is that? What is that? Oh, it removed it when I did the merge. Or like when I had the merge conflict. That's odd. Import, we are saying no. Use address. Third web provider and connect wallet. There. That should be enough. Chain ID. And GitHub button. So we're going to import GitHub button. Components, GitHub button. Oh, because I think the folder system is different. So components, buttons, GitHub button, GitHub button. See, that's what I had earlier. Look at this, friends. Failed to parse source map from, and then blah, 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 blah. And it has it for like multiple things in node modules. So one thing I'm going to try is deleting node modules and putting it back. So let's try that. Turn it back. When in doubt, turn it off, turn it on again. So we are going to say rmrf node, kill everything, and then redo everything. And it's going to complain about that, so we're going to close this. Oh, see? Whoa. So we're good. It worked behind the errors. But I'm already in the middle of deleting node modules, so I guess I have to let it finish and then reinstall it and then go back. But yeah, at least this is some progress. our contract isn't here yet, but we do have the Connect wallet. That's a step. Um, I'm gonna give this a second. Let's see. If I do use contract, well, it's still no, but it's not running right now. We're waiting for the deleting of the node modules. There we go. Nice. And I'm not gonna use WSL to install Node because oh wait, that's what I was doing. Let's see. This is what I was doing. And now we're gonna say npmi. And we're gonna take a few seconds. Yeah, those are bugging me. See the those warnings might pose a problem. And I can't do anything about those. And that's one very frustrating thing about JavaScript is like when the dependencies are bugging out, there's nothing you can do. Because it's like inherently in their framework or library, and trying to fix it would mean trying to fix their thing, which I mean would help you become an open source contributor, but it's also like a lot of backtracking and a lot of work and brain power. All of those are deprecated. That's a little iffy. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick second while all of this loads. We're waiting for a little bit and hopefully it'll be done. I am, what is React Native in this dependency? And we're using React. So this is different. Okay, I can understand it, but it's not like within my power to change easily, I guess. Like some things you don't mess with. This is taking a while. Again. Can anyone share the repo link as it wasn't there for the previous session? 1 second. It should be the repo link is in the announcement that announced this workshop. Like before the check-in, which I hope you checked in. There is it's like MLH NFT rewards. It's stuck at reify. I wonder what that is. Well, there. Interesting. Okay, we're done. Let's try npm start. Let's do this, friends. Let's hope for the best. We're gonna close this and this and this and this. Oh, actually, I closed the thing that I was opening. Key. This is the thing that I got stuck at. Remember when I was saying like failed to load source map? I looked it up and like this very long thread from 2021 and like it goes on and on and on and on and on and on. Apparently there were like hidden items too, and on and on and on. And as of 3 days ago, it's not fixed yet. Like if all of these people, oh gosh, see, friends, this is my concern. It's complaining about that. Let's see. What if I comment this one out? Because I think. Oh, let's reload this. Okay, so they're just warnings and it's not, and it's still letting me do stuff. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna keep uncommenting until, oh. There. Okay. It disappeared. We're gonna ignore these warnings. This is a long scroll. I just want to make sure that there's nothing else in there. Okay. So when I started use contract, it disappeared. Huh. Oh, I like that Princeton made a little animation. Nice. I don't think they're in the chat though, but it's okay. What if I just say contract use contract just to see if it like breaks. It does. The moment I use a contract, it bugs out. Okay, I'm gonna try it A's way. This is not the best thing in the world, but let's try this. Yeah, see? Oh, it's just the next problems. Yeah, but I'd have to. Go back. We have our little connect to MetaMask. We're connected. We're good there. We have one thing. Let's see. How can we resolve this? Let me try. I'm going to do this. So I'm not receiving a lot of responses from the crowd. So I'm going to work with what I got, which means using the alternative. well. That's a lot of versioning or like dependency problems, because it requires this specific thing, npm this, node modules that. Bro, didn't even run. Let's open this up. Yes. Yeah. Hey, MetaMask was connected. Nice. That's awesome. I think it's ThirdWeb's problem. NPX ThirdWeb help. Huh. I think ThirdWeb's the problem. I don't think it's me or us. Because, like, if we follow along, I think the solution that I would use for this is, like, contacting the ThirdWeb maintainers. Because it looks like, because all I did was ask for help and that didn't work either. And then when I used like create, it doesn't work either. Cache in the path. Oh. Is there, can y'all remind me how to like clear the cache? How do we clear the cache? How do we clear the cache? I can Google that. That's a Google. Hold here. Cache. No, but is it a browser cache? No, it says npm cache. Okay. Clear npm cache. Let's go. Oh, that's easy. I mean, it has force in it, so it's a little like intimidating. Yeah, see, using force is a little. This two ThirdWeb Dev SDK ethers are not in our. I shall wait for the continuation of this message. Hey, hello, friend. Long time no see. Package JSON. Okay, package JSON. ThirdWeb Dev SDK. Oh, you're saying I'll need to do the other ThirdWeb Dev, which is SDK. So I shall try that. npm I ThirdWeb Dev SDK. Cool. Let's do that. I am doing well. I am a little stuck at this project. It's a little daunting because the documentation is off. The library that we're using is a little off. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, or some of it works, some of it doesn't. So we're trying to figure that out as we go along. Yeah. How are you doing? Did I make the GitHub button correctly? Yes, you did. Dude, wait. I liked that. Where is it? This one? I liked that it did. Wee. Oh, wait, I didn't click it. Wee. Oh, yeah, it's just front end. So, yeah, you did it right. That's awesome. Congratulations. Let's see. We are doing this, I think. Yeah, so we're waiting on this. I'm consuming too much Coke. But when dependencies don't agree with you and you're supposed to teach a workshop, stress sodaing is reasonable. It's gonna take a little second again. We shall wait. Hey, there we go. 413 packages. I guess. I guess I was just missing a lot. Wait, bro, we are not smart. We are not smart. I installed it in the wrong folder. I waited all this time and I installed it in the wrong folder. Let's go to Ubuntu and then CD backwards, and then I think, if I understand correctly, this GitHub folder does not deserve a node modules. There's no, yup. So we're gonna do this again, but this time we don't have to wait. We're removing it from GitHub. We are going to, hello, there we go. So, I was waiting for it to go onto package.json, and then I didn't realize that I had it for the wrong place. This is a lot of waiting, friends. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's try this again. npm start. Hoping for the best. Hoping for the best. Cool, cool. Running. Sign in with GitHub. Sign in with Matic. What was the thing we were doing again? I think we were gonna uncomment use contract. Nope. Still makes everything else disappear. But if I comment it out, oh, what if it's the address? It's like maybe complaining about that. Let's try using the one that they used. Like it's tried and true. So there might not be. So let's go to this. Let's try using this contract. Just for the sake of just testing it out. Like if theirs works, let's try that. Yeah, see? It still leaves it empty. So it's not that. What else can we do, friends? What else can we do? You stop at use contract. Is there a reason for us to need use address even? Like use address was seen in the documentation. Yeah, right here. So we have this is not what I'm looking for. Yeah, see, this is the one thing that we need. Well, not really the thing, but I don't think we did this. Is there auth in our package JSON? I think not. So let's try that next, and then wait for it to update package JSON. Cool, we're good there. And then we have third web auth, not next. Let's try following the docs, not next auth. Express. If I use this, that would just package JSONs. Huh. I don't even see where it's getting it from, so I can understand what to call. Like here, it says auth next, yeah, and then it says there's a third web auth here. There isn't. They're just package JSONs, and package JSONs. That is so odd. I mean, I don't think we'll need it because we already have Connect Wallet working, and I think that component does the job for you. Yeah, because it said third web provider, but that's to log in. I think I did it earlier. Oh boy. So let's see if. Oh, I remember we had tried to create this template, but then it was complaining. So it might not be complaining anymore. It is. I'm pretty sure my WSL is slower. Or, so that everyone has access to it, I could just put it inside this folder. Because it already has. No. Because. No, it has third web dev, not third web. So let's new this. And then npm I third web first. Let's see. Cool. And now we have. Oh, we don't have it. Oh, no. What we did was install third web. Now we can say npx. What is your project named? I can just call it MLH and FT. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I would love to hear it, friend. Because in the meantime, I gave up and pivoted, which is not entirely a bad thing. But if you got it the original way, I'd love to hear it. So this doesn't go here. It goes in index. I'll be darned. Is it? I'm assuming it's inside strict mode or like React strict mode. So try this and say this. Ben, what are you complaining about? Oh, that was a crash. Oh, you wrapped it outside of strict mode. Okay, noted. So I'm going to transfer or like import third web auth, third web provider, and chain ID. Oopsie daisies. We're good there, and then I'm gonna remove. No, we don't care right now. Let's try. Okay. Whoa, it's not broken. Let's keep going. Platinum, you are amazing. It's not broken. Awesome. Whew, that was great. I was worried, but I believed in y'all. Did not believe in myself, but I believed in y'all. Okay. Those tabs are way too small. So we had survived that. Now I can get. So now what we're so I got that part, mint NFT. Now we're gonna need a Web3 button. So let's do Web3 button on click mint NFT. No, that's not what we need. We're not gonna listen to that. Contract, oopsies. Contract address. And what we're gonna need is contract. And then, oopsie daisies. Action. And then mint NFT. Unexpected token, line 116. It's a typo somewhere. Ah, there we go. Oh, the wallet button part. So I didn't do it. It was built in. I figured it had the back end, but I didn't realize it had like the whole thing already. Um, Give me 1 second while we shall get things to work for a second. So these are working. Let's look at our page. Nothing is showing up. That's not, let's comment this out. Those two still show up, which means Web3 button is the thing that's bugging out. Is Web3 button up there? Yes, it is. But is Web3 button meant to be there? Let's look at that for a second. Web3 button. Yeah, it's use contract and then Web3 button. Contract address, action mint NFT. Is that the same thing? Yes, it is. Is that contract? Yes, it is. So why is this one bugging out now? We're gonna chain ID, logo, address is assigned a value. We're gonna comment it out because I want to keep it clean. There. Now no more errors or warnings. Okie dokie. Nothing showing up. Console? Should have checked this sooner. But what's... Wow, that crashed. Not the whole thing crashing. Alrighty, friends, I have returned from the abyss. Let us resume. I have nothing to show here. Let's open VS Code back. Thank you for your patience. I appreciate it. I have people again. That's nice. Awesome, 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 awesome. So we're good there. I'll check the. I'll ping people in the chat and that little. Everyone, I'm back. Oops. Cool. So let's go back here. Type in chat if you're here. As usual, thank you. Let's try running this. Hi, Platinum. You are my hero. I appreciate you. You're a champ. Couldn't do this without you. I appreciate you. Let's do this. Oops, it's going there, not there. Let's fix that. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Hey, what's up? Hello, hello. Whoa, I saw 2 of them. I saw 2 of them. It broke, but I saw 2 of them. 81 warnings. I mean, in the grander scheme of things, I think we're fine. But it's not showing up. But you saw that, right? Like for a split second, the second button showed up. But if we comment this out, they're going to be there. Comment it back. It's going to be gone. What if we remove the action? What if the action is bugging out? No, that's not it. Let's return that. Return that. And then test. No, I think it's const test. Okay. Try no, I don't need to try. Just say console log test, close, and then I'm just gonna try this test. Oopsies. So test. So I just want to see. So what I'm trying to do now is see if it's the function that's bugging out. But it says, but it's still not showing up, even though all I have is test. So another hunch that I have is I'm gonna delete this. I think let's try printing out address. Should give me gibberish, but it's not showing up. Oh, we're not looking for address. We don't care about address. I mean. Okay. This means that was complaining because it wasn't logged in yet. No. I am frustrated. But if y'all aren't giving up, I'm not giving up. My address bugged out. Or the address showed up. MetaMask. So the address shows up. Let's try contract. I think. Bro. Oh, I think it was like quotes. Not it either. So the reason why I did that is because I remember here, not there, it had this. So I figured I needed that. Did we define the base URL anyway? I don't think so. I don't think we did. That is a good point. What if so Platinum, I'm gonna push these changes um to a point where it'll show up. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm gonna push it like as this is right now, and then could I ask you to fix that part, like define the base URL, because I want to make sure that, because you're the one thinking of these stuff. So if you make the push your like if you push your own changes, you'll get the NFT, because the thing that we're doing is the like it checks for if you're a contributor to the repo that is given, and then you can log into your wallet, your GitHub, etc., to get that NFT if they can see that you contributed to the repo of like in question. So I'm gonna push this. That okay, so we are going to put in git ignore MLH NFT. Oopsies. MLH NFT. So now it's erased. We don't care. And then now it's just that. So we're gonna git ignore package.json, app, and index. So push a commit sync. Oopsies, I goofed. Yes. So what did I do here? Stuck. Didn't think. Okay. All right, Platinum, all you. That's it. Let's look at the PR. I think it's this one. It's not that one. It's not that one. Too many tabs. There. I see a pull request. Show the contract name. Yikes. Oh, can you pull and then push? Like, so that these changes don't, while you do that, I'm going to look at what you did. This looks TypeScript, right? No, it's not. Joke. I'm kidding. Joke. Yeah, we didn't have that anymore. And then we had that. So this is the part that you change. Use contract read. That makes sense. That makes sense. Let me know when you got that. Really? In the meantime, if anyone else wants to give it a shot or has a better understanding, let us know in chat. I shall put this up. I don't care. I think this is what we need. I see you were yeah. So we have conflicts. I'm asking Platinum to uh put the changes into his or their PR first. How are we doing, friends? Oh, Rohit, if you want, you could start piecing together like what the website itself is gonna look like. If you have an idea of what the interface is gonna be, like connect your GitHub, connect your wallet. Once you have those done, do this. Like just the front end if you want. Otherwise, what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? I don't think the GitHub functionality is up yet, like connecting to GitHub. So that would also be a cool thing to do. We could make issues, but I think you can just like make your own PR and like work from there. So we like skip a few steps. But if that's something you feel like doing, or 404 is here, so if you want to try that, just let us know in the chat so you don't do the same things. But yeah. I am also doing my own sleuthing. Okay, how is everyone? I'll try establishing OAuth for GitHub. Thank you. That would be awesome. I got stuck there. Right. So this is the instructions. If you want to look for it, I am mucho stuck. There. Let me know how everyone is doing. I'm just going through some docs right now. Okay. Cool. I fixed it. Alrighty. I think this bug is giving you the Halloween treatment. I have never been spooked this much before. Oh. Yeah. This bug is bugging me. It's not even a bug, it's like bug after bug after bug. And like bug squared. Bug factorial, bros. Yo. Hat chain of bugs. Instead of like blockchain, we have bug chain. I think I like that. Bug chain or bug factorial. Bug to the power of bug. Oh, we have our bugs friends. So far, our hopes are Rohit and Platinum. If we could like, if y'all are interested, we could like, you could hop onto the stream, um, and then we can like talk through this together. We could turn it into like a group project instead of a workshop because that is what we are doing now. Bug chain sounds cool. Yes, that is good. We're not doing blockchain. We're doing bug chain. Polar Void was all like, I think I recognize them. Um, it's so cool. Like having been to a few global hack weeks already, like seeing familiar faces, like I love it. I think it's really cool that y'all are so committed to the MLH community, to being better software engineers, to just learning in general. And I think that's super duper cool, and I love y'all for it. Let's see. Let's see. Los dos. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, so because I'm in North America, my time zones are a little different. So I don't get to interact with the APAC hackers as much. Um, maybe in next Global Hack Week, I'll do like a middle of the night for me workshop so that I can I can see the rest of the world, the rest of the community at least. Um, Yay, platinum merge. We love it. So let me get poll right now. No. Let's look at as in okay, cool. Review changes. I don't think anything breaks. And you had changed those. We're good there. There's no merge conflicts. Let's submit review. Approve. Merge. Merge. We are Gucci. So let's try this again. Careful. For a second, I was like, okay, so let's try this now. Close it. Restart it. Let's do it. I'm hopeful. The contract is there. I'm so excited. Okay. So the contract works. Let's try uncommon things out. Web3 button is not defined. That is a very small problem. We are good there. Web3 button. It's like it just gives me enough hope to take it away from me. Okay, what's wrong now? Let's fix this. Oh, there's a Star Wars reference in the chat that I am not understanding. Dang. Star Wars, like, I feel like it's a franchise that's like old and like deep. So like if you go into it, you got to go into a lot. So I was like, so I never got into Star Wars. I'm sorry, but I know who Darth Vader is. But I think Rogue One is one of the newer movies. I think, if I remember correctly. Maybe. Oh, now our problem is mint NFT. I think. Yeah. So I think if I do the thing that we did earlier, which was const test async, and then no, we're not saying try. We are saying console log. And then close that, and then we say test here should ideally no, but the contract exists. Um, hmm. I think it's this. Because that is. That's this. So if we go to pages and then we go to API and then we go to claim NFTs, it's this much. Which means I think we have to work on this first. So let's try that. Let's say new folder, API, and then new file, claim NFTs.js. And then React login GitHub. If it works, it works. Let's try it out. I trust you. Oh, I don't know. I get this part at least. Like, get the repos that they're gonna check, and then, but we would only have to check one thing. Let's see. This we can do this now. There we go. Const or most name NFT async request response. What's that? What was that? There we go. Let's start here. If request dot method is not equal to post return solid const so now we're going to use unstable get server session. Ow. Let's stare at this for a second until it makes sense. Can I get the deployment link of the contract so I can see the defined functions? Are you talking about like this. I have the address. I don't know what you mean by deployment link. Let's see. What if I do this? Like, will you be up? No. No. Oh, you do have access to it. I shall give you this. I shall, platinum. I'm gonna ping you in the server. Platinum. Pay 2 platinums. I don't know who to ping. I'll just put this in the chat. So I put it there. Would it make sense to also put it here? I mean, temporarily. I don't think there's any harm. Is there? Like, these are just the addresses. I think you can. I don't think there's any security issue with it. Nah. So it's in the server if you need it. It's in the channel that the thread thing that I made within random. Did I find? Oh, Explorer. That's what this thing is for. Name. That's what Platinum used. Symbol. Oh, because I left it as URI. Verify. Next, I'm gonna need a mint as a role. Get role admin. Yeah. The thing that's running through my head right now is like, because I won't give up on us. Na 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 na. Like, this is a test of perseverance, friends. When your documentation is so lacking. Let's see. Let's keep going with claim NFTs in an attempt. So I think Platinum is working on there. That's what I'm trying to use. Oopsie daisies. So, do you have post? We have. I think this will be the same, except I don't add the type at the end. Or like the type stuff for TypeScript. Like those. I think that's gonna be fine. If not session, unauthorized, const user. I'm just gonna await get user no const user await await get user request. There we go. Nice. Cool. Platinum got the Explorer link. Now this is what I'm doing. Oh, if not session or oopsie, not user, then we do that. But we want that after. Oopsies. 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 There. instead of that, instead of third web dev, no, it's not orgs. Let's try Isabel. GitHub API. There we go. Repos. Mumbai is indeed a testnet. I'm currently looking for the equivalent of this. Because this is asking for multiple repos, so I'm trying to see if there is a... If there is a way, there is a will. If there is a will, there is a way. Let's do this, friends. If I open this, it shows this. Yeah, there's like all this info on the repo. I think it has it. I have to use it as opposed to just naming the repo. Okay, this is what we have from the Explorer that Platinum is on right now. Yeah. So what it does is for every repo in the thing, check the contributors, and if the person who logged in is part of the list of contributors, then give them an NFT. That makes sense to me. That does make sense to me. I'm currently stuck on the part where right now it has a list of all of the repos and it's an organization. I'm trying to see what that API looks like, or like that endpoint, I believe the term is, looks like for people who don't have. We also have like 15 minutes left. So, I mean, we can keep going, but I also understand the value of, like, I want to respect everyone's time. Hmm. I want to make sure that everyone has their little gene. I wanted everyone to have their own gene. It was a little like slapped together, but like blockchain contributor and then gene. Hmm. Let's see. Get a repository. This is a webhook. I just mean like the info on the repo. So let's say user repo. Let's try that. That's migration. Let's get started. That's troubleshooting. This is not from the recipe. Hmm. It did not feel like 2 hours. You know, when you like debug stuff and then you get stuck and you're like trying everything and then you don't realize, bam, so many hours have passed and you're still stuck on the same thing. What's this one? No. Hmm. 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 I've recently moved. Collaborators? Repo invites. Oh, you could use the API to invite people. I want to do that next. Like make it so that instead of me asking for your GitHub username, I can just give you like a button to click and then you'll be added to it. I feel like that'd be, it's just a simple thing, but it's still like cool to learn. I think I would want to do that. Or I think it's this one. Yeah. I want to do this one next. All right, friends. Does anyone have a status update? Bro, no, this is not what I want. Silence from the audience means we don't have status updates. So we might be looking at, let's see, let's hide this, maybe undo these. I have that. Me. I'm gonna at least put, let's see, with, I'm gonna say margin to there. Okay. Any little change. Still working on OAuth. Can we discuss the functionalities we actually want to implement on the page? So I shall put it here, somewhere we can like go back to it on. Or I think the way to do it is like that. Okay. So number one, we are going to connect wallet to connect GitHub, and then 3 when user. Okay, so let's go to this, and what's happening is connect GitHub, connect wallet, check if user who logged into their GitHub has a GitHub account is also a check if the user who logged into their GitHub account has contributed to the repo. GitHub API, just check if username is on the list. If yes, mint NFT. Otherwise, error. I think that's our functionality. And send to wallet. Otherwise, error. 5 steps. We finished 1.5. Those are our steps. I shall put this in. Minting is role protected. Can you explain what that means? I'm gonna put this in the chat. Doodah, doodah. I'm gonna put this in the chat. Oh, the doodaddy. Copy. Minting is role protected. I mean, I think based on what you're trying to say, I don't think that's gonna be a problem because this thing has already minted it. All it does is like distribute it, no? Burn a specific amount. Yeah. See, they're already minted. And then afterwards they're owned. And then yeah. Airdrop, NFT balance. So we have snippets here. Under like you were at Explorer. If you check out code, you have little snippets here that we could use. That's a little nice. That's okay documentation. Bro, what difference did it make? None. None whatsoever. None whatsoever. None whatsoever. None whatsoever. That's the only difference. Okay, cool. Only the first one is the difference. Okay, so let's look at where we're at. I think what we can do is, since we know what we have to do, we could I was gonna make a tactical retreat and say that we could resume when either we have better documentation or we'll just like slowly keep trying on our own time. I'm not gonna delete the repo. But I feel like a tactical retreat where we like take a step back and then come back to it at another time if we do want to go back to it. Um, might be a good option. Everyone's already on the repo. Um, yeah, I at least got like a tiny thing done. Um, and we do have contributors in this already. So yeah, it's 1:55, or it's like 5 minutes, 2 hours for people in other time zones. And I am leaning towards a tactical retreat. With that in mind, I appreciate everyone who has stayed behind and put up with our little bug chain. So thank you. I appreciate you. I hope this was at least some semblance of a learning experience. Um, and I hope to. We now have to wait for GitHub off. Okay, so um, okay, so Rohit is going to work on the OAuth, and then once we have that, we will mint it. But I think we can do this asynchronously. I'm a little like this bug chain like took it out of me, and we still have React Native later tonight, in like a few hours. So if you're interested in that, it'll be, I don't know what we're making yet, but if you're interested, there's that. It'll be the last workshop of the entire Global Hack Week. Hopefully I end it with a bang. But yeah, thank you so much, friends. I appreciate you. All of the info is on that channel that I made. I still really want to give out the NFT. So thank you. We shall come back to it. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye, friends. Thank you. It was a good effort. Bye, friends.